Welcome to my car factory. This is the building that I bought 5 years ago. This was a formerly abandoned factory on Detroit's west side, and we got some life into it. I want to make these little trucks. Like, this is a prototype racing truck that we're just going to make one of. There's a lot of work that goes in this. It's going to be one of one. But what we learned from this, we're going to apply to a small production truck that hopefully is very low cost and very flexible for all kinds of uses. This is something that I've wanted for a long time, and you just can't buy in the US. You can import old ones from Japan or Korea, but they're old and they're not quite what we need nowadays. And so I want to make something new here. I've been on this mission for a long time, and I'm pretty confident that we're going to get there, but optimism is a huge part of getting anything like this done. It just comes with the territory. So this here is what we call the Senpai. So this is a 550 horsepower K-truck. These are trucks that are normally designed to deliver like fish in rural Japan, and we're turning it into a racing truck. I'm a born and raised Detroiter. I love racing. Racing's in my blood. And so I want to make a racing one to kick off what we're doing here. So it's on this I-beam here, which we took out of the building and we set up for our chassis jig. We made all these adjustable jigs to get our suspension and everything right. The problem though is this is a 29-year-old truck. And so we're working around its 29-year-old truckness and having to cut out all the parts that don't quite fit. The drivetrain in here though is a Tesla Model 3 Performance, which is 550 horsepower of all-wheel drive juice. And it's made to make a 4,500 pound car go super, super fast. The goal right now is to get the Senpai done, that little racing truck that we talked about, and then get all this junk out of here, reset this space, and then ideally be making our small truck. I want to make them by the end of the year so that we'd have new ones coming out 2027. This is a big project. This is something that normally would take hundreds of millions of dollars and thousands of people to do, and we're trying to do it with a few dozen. So if I can get one out by the end of the year, I will have won.